a 3-minute video about uniforms. This video is being made in the start of the 2019-2020 school year. And uniforms and our policy regarding dress at school has changed slightly. So I've got my 3-minute timer to set. So here we go. 3 minutes about uniforms and school rules regarding dress. Our school, along with most career tech schools in the state of Ohio, do not permit shorts to be worn and ask our programs to all develop their own unique uniform. And the number one reason why that exists is for safety. When someone comes in and they're dressed unlike school apparel, it's easy to spot them in a crowd. But also, it identifies the classes together as part of a group. So the cosmetologists will have smocks, and the health science students will have scrubs. And there is just as a variety of uniforming as there is in the types of career areas you'll see in our school. We have the unique ability, being a graphic arts class with a direct garment printer and a screen printing press, to be able to develop our own uniforms and be able to print images on the back. So they can do, with the 5 shirts that our students get, they can put their own original artwork on their uniforms, which is kind of a neat privilege. That's the way we do things, and we also have an embroidered patch that changes each year, and if the program exists for a long, long time, who knows, maybe those patches will become collectible someday. But I picked up on the value of patches when I was in Boy Scouts and went through advancement through Boy Scouts. I really, really loved the idea of that uniformity as well as earning things. And that's the reason why you'll watch the video about the credentials are given away as patches, as recognitions for accomplishments. I guess what I want to get at in regards to uniforming is that I am not permitted as the teacher of this class to throw out uniform shirts. We are required to have 5 uniform shirts for the junior year and 5 uniform shirts for the senior year. They are paid for by lab fees, and I've informed my class that they are to have them with them every single day. And if they do not have them with them, they will receive a referral to the office, because that is the direction that I've received as the classroom lab teacher. So we're going to do that. There are times when we're using things that are extremely dirty and a really nice lab uniform. It would make a lot more sense to put an apron over it, or maybe change into something a little bit more throwaway, because something might get ruined with paint or some of the chemicals that we use, and that's legitimate. There's also heating issues and comfort issues. I'm totally flexible with that, but what I've told these students are they are required to have that uniform shirt with them at the beginning of lab every day, no exceptions. And I intend on following through with that from here on out. That's it for uniforms, close to 3 minutes. Watch the next one. Thanks. Bye.